MS Dhoni is arguably the most successful captain for India. From ticket collector to India's captain in all formats, the Ranchi born has come a long way in his life. Some people regard Dhoni as a born leader and a proven match winner. Even today, after achieving so much success, Dhoni still maintains a low profile. As a player, he always puts his nation first in not one but many instances. Glamour and attention was never Dhoni's forte. Let's take a look at 5 such instances when Mahendra Singh Dhoni put his country before everything else. First up, just a week ahead of the 2015 World Cup, Dhoni's wife Sakshi gave birth to their first child Ziva. At that time, Dhoni was in Australia with the Indian team preparing for the all-important World Cup. Everyone thought Dhoni would fly back, but to everyone's surprise, Dhoni decided to stay with the Indian team and not fly back to India. He was asked about the same in a press conference where the Indian captain replied, "No, I am on national duty, everything else can wait." Dhoni has his priorities clear. He once said that for him the nation and parents come first, followed by his wife. He shares a very special bond with his wife Sakshi, having known her for many years. But when it's about priorities and keeping things first, it's always his country and parents. Dhoni was once quoted saying the following, "I tell my wife she is only the third most important thing after my country and parents." In multiple instances, we've seen the wicketkeeper batsman respecting the Indian flag. A trend started by Sachin Tendulkar in the early 2000s is still followed by many players in the Indian cricket team. But one such exception is Dhoni. He does not display the Indian tricolour on his helmet solely because he has to keep it on the ground most of the time while keeping to fast bowlers. We can clearly see the amount of respect and pride he carries for the Indian flag that he doesn't even want it to touch the grass. In 2018, MS Dhoni was conferred with the third highest civilian honour, Padma Bhushan. He received the award from India's President Ramnath Kovind. But what was surprising to see the attire Dhoni chose to wear on that particular day. The cricketer from Ranchi, who is an honorary lieutenant colonel in the Territorial Army, marched past the dignitaries present at Rashtrapati Bhavan to receive the award in his army uniform. The 39-year-old later tweeted about the same on Instagram. An honor to get the Padma Bhushan, and receiving it in uniform increases the excitement tenfolds. Thanks to all the men and women in uniform and their families for the sacrifices they make so that all of us could enjoy our constitutional rights. Jai Hind. And finally, the former India skipper once said that you don't play for the crowd but you play for the country. He was booed multiple times by the crowd at various foreign stadiums, but Dhoni has always kept his cool. He's never let anything of that sort affect him, and that's what really makes him an all-time great. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Do tune into CricFit for more updates.